Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all fine and safe at home. Children, welcome back to Science e-learning class. Children, in the previous class we have revised lesson 2 Food and Health. Today we are going to revise lesson 3 Safety and First Aid. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's begin our class. Children, what is an accident? Yes, an accident is a sudden, unexpected, harmful incident that can occur anywhere at any time. Most of the accidents happen due to carelessness. If we follow safety rules at different places, we can avoid accidents. Children, what can cause fires? Name any 3 ways in which we can avoid fire hazards. A fire can be caused because of different reasons, some of which are carelessness while handling burning matchsticks, candles and firecrackers, electrical faults, and accidents while cooking, and gas leaks in the kitchen. 3 ways in which we can avoid fire hazards are: be very careful while handling fire. Electrical appliances and wiring should be checked regularly for faults or breaks in the plastic covering of the wires. Synthetic clothes such as nylon should not be worn while cooking or handling fire, as synthetic clothes can catch fire easily. Okay, children, how will you put out a fire caused because of electrical faults? Yes, fire caused due to electrical faults is never put out using water, since electricity can flow through water. Such fires are put out using sand or the fire extinguisher. We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents, but even then, if accidents occur, we should not panic. The injured person must be given first aid immediately. Children, define first aid. Yes, first aid is the first or immediate help given to injured people before they are taken to a hospital. Children, what is a fracture? How would you help a person who has fractured his bone? Yes, a break or crack in a bone is called a fracture. It is very important to not move the fractured part. A cloth sling or a splint should immediately be tied around the fracture to hold it, and the person must be rushed to the hospital immediately. Children, how would you help a person with minor burns? Yes, in case of minor burns, wash the burned area under cool running water for some time and apply antiseptic cream or a paste of baking soda on the burn. Children, how would you help a person with chemical burns? Yes, in case of chemical burns, remove the clothes around the burned area. Place the wound under cool running water, dry and loosely wrap a clean bandage around it. Then call the doctor immediately. Children, How would you help a person with severe burns? Yes, in case of a severe burn, a doctor must be called immediately. Any blister if formed must not be pricked. Also, do not try to remove any piece of cloth stuck to the burnt area or apply any cream or ointment. Children, what first aid should be given in case of sprain? Yes, in case of sprain, make the person sit in a comfortable position and apply an ice pack to the area. Then carefully bandage the swollen area to limit movement. The person should be made to rest, keeping the sprained area above the position of the heart while lying down. Children, what first aid would you give to a person who has been bitten by a dog? Yes, in case of a dog bite, wash the wound with running water and cover it with a clean bandage. Take the person to the doctor immediately. Children, next fill in the blanks. First question, dash clothes should not be worn while cooking. Yes, synthetic. Spell the word synthetic. Next question, in case of a gas leak, all doors and windows should be opened. Firefighters normally put out fires with the help of dash water. WATER water. We can avoid dash by following safety rules. Accidents. Spell the word. Yes. ACCIDENTS. Accidents. In case of minor burns, we can apply a paste of dash baking soda. BAKING baking soda. SODA. Next, true or false. First question, all accidents are caused by fires. False. In case of fires caused by electrical fires, we should use sand. It's true. Fire from petrol is put out using water. False. Most cuts and scratches need antiseptic ointments to be applied on them for a few days. True. All fractured bones need to be put under cool running water. False. Next, choose the correct answer. First question, which of these can cause a fire? Option A, carelessness while handling burning matchsticks. Option B, electrical faults. Option C, cooking gas leaks. Option D, all of these. Correct answer, all of these. Next question, which of these would you use in case of a cut or wound? Option A cloth sling. B, a splint. C, gauze and bandage. D, paste of baking soda. Answer, gauze and bandage. Which of these could cause burns? A, fires and hot liquids. Friction from clothes. C, chemicals. D, all of these. Answer, all of these. In case of nosebleed, the person should, option A, sit with the head tilted down. Option B, sit with the head tilted up. Option C, lie down on the stomach. Option D, lie down on the back. Correct answer, sit with the head tilted up. Next question, which part of the body is injured in case of a sprain? Answer, ligament. Next question. In case of a snake bite, the person should be positioned such that the bite lies option A below the heart level, B above the heart level, C at the heart level, D none of these. Correct answer below the heart level. Next question. Which of these is caused by animal bites? Answer rabies. Next question. Which of these would you use in bee stings? Answer a paste of baking soda. Next, match the columns. First question, bee stings. Answer, baking soda. Wasp stings. Answer, vinegar. Cuts, antiseptic cream. Fracture, cloth sling. Chemical burn, cool running water. Next, give 2 examples of the following. First question, causes of fire. Any 2 causes. Answer, electrical faults, gas leaks. Next question, things to do during a gas leak. Switch off all electrical appliances. Next, open doors and windows. Next question, ways to avoid fire. Carefully handling fire, wiring checked regularly. Next question, things to do in case someone catches fire. Person should be made to roll on the floor, then cover with blanket. Next question, ways to put out fire. Using fire extinguisher, using sand. Next, answer in one word. First question, a special instrument that we can use to put out small fires. Answer, fire extinguisher. Spell the word. Yes, F-I-R-E, fire, E-X-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H-E-R, fire extinguisher. The immediate help given to an injured person. First aid. F-I-R-S-T, first A-I-D-A. A break or crack in the bone. Answer, fracture. F-R-A-C-T-U-R-E, fracture. This is caused when we twist the ankle or the wrist suddenly. Sprain. S-P-R-A-I-N, sprain. This holds the fracture in place till the injured is taken to a hospital. Splint. Spell the word. Yes. S-P-L-I-N-T, splint. S-P-L-I-N-T, splint. Thank you children. Have a nice day.